Welcome back to the channel again, good friends. Brian from Apex Detail. I have showed you plenty of products to remove swirls, plenty of tools to get them removed, teaming them up with those products. Today we're going to take a look at a tool that can help you find some of those pesky imperfections. That is the MaxShine Detailing Swirl Finder Mini. Let's take a look. The MaxShine Detailing Swirl Finder Mini, $88.99. This is an LED work light and imperfection finder. Cool and warm temperature, cool at 4500, warm or white at 6500. The lumens is 100 to 200 depending on what settings. There are two settings on this light. The built-in magnet lets you hang it from anywhere, your detailing cart or whatever. It also has a hook and also has a hook that you can put it on your belt as well if you want to carry it with you on the job. It is solvent resistant, the lens anyways. It's also water resistant. It will give you 4 hours of battery life. And that's at 50% step 1. If you want to switch it to the high, step 2, it'll give you a 2-hour battery life. You need to plug it in right out of the box. It's only partially charged, so it's only going to take you an hour to charge that unit right out of the box. Even if you're not using the unit, charge it every 30 days or so. There are, again, two settings for the light itself. The first setting is for finding the imperfections. Switch over to the brighter second setting to check your correction work. So the first example is finding the imperfections in the first place. Doesn't much matter if the color is a lighter color or a darker color, or the ambient lighting in the room or the setting you're in is light or dark, inside or out. It will help you find those imperfections. How about correction? Well, this will help you determine if you've removed all the imperfections or keep an eye on the work in progress. Outside, a customer rolls up, or you're out in front of the driveway and you want to find all the imperfections on your vehicle, works well there too. Other uses for the shop light. If you like dark room correcting, as I do, you can lean it up from the floor and correct, keeping an eye on the area you are working. You can also stick it or hang it from your polisher cart and get the same effect from a different angle. Label indicating water resistance, and I'll show you it's waterproof. And to go over charging one more time, out of the box, charge for an hour. It's only partially charged. And when you fully run the battery down, which is recommended before charging, it'll take about 4 hours, and then you'll have 4 hours of use on low, 2 hours on high. Just plug it into the back of the unit and the other end into the USB port, plug it in, and charge. It'll change from red to green. That brings us to the final thoughts segment of the video, the MaxShine Detailing Swirl Finder Mini. Very effective in its compact size. With its powerful magnet, you can hang it anywhere. It also has a hanging hook. It's adjustable to swivel front and back. You can have it on the ground, shining up at a panel so you can correct. If you do dark room correcting, as I do, you don't need another source of light except for the one that's giving you an angle to find those imperfections, correct them, and remove them. This does that even in its small, compact case. The only thing really I have a problem with is the price, and that's high. So when we get to the rating scale of the channel, the MaxShine Detailing Swirl Finder Mini will get impressive, held back by its price. If you have any questions, don't hesitate. Brian from Apex Detail. Catch you in the next video.